Okay, so number 39, it says ECHS juniors took a practice ACT. Their scores were normally distributed with a mean of 20 and a standard deviation of 2.5. What is the probability that a random selected student would score more than 23? Well, first of all, we're going to need our calculators. And I gave you directions here of how to run a z-test. We've done this before one or two times. We didn't do it a lot. But you go to your stat key, you scroll over twice to test, you go to z-test, enter. This little chart here is going to come up. You need to make sure it's going to be on stats. The U, as we should know, means mean. The little O here, standard deviation. The X with the line over, it tells us if it's going to be more than, less than, or equal to, and then whatever number that is. The N is always 1 if it's normally distributed. And then this right here, if U is not equal to this, if it's less than, or if it's greater than, then you hit draw. So let's do this, okay? So we're going to use our information. So we're going to go to stat, scroll over 2 times to test, and you see it already has z-test selected, so you just press enter. So we need to go over, make sure it's on stat, press enter, or scroll over. Okay, our U, that means our mean. So let's go back up. What was our mean again? We had a mean of 20. So we're going to put 20 in. This means standard deviation. We had a standard deviation of 2.5. Okay? This is what it means. Is it more than, less than, or equal to what number? It says the students will score more than 23. So we put 23 here. And it's always going to be 1 if it's normally distributed. And then what did they ask for? Was it not equal to? Was it less than or greater than? They said more than. So more than is that. And then we're going to click draw. Go scroll down to draw. Hit enter. And then it's going to take a few seconds to draw this picture. But at the bottom is really what we need. We need the probability. So 0.2301. And so we can change it to a percent by moving it 2 places to the right. So 23%. So about the probabilities, it gave us 0.2301. And if it asks for a percentage, that equals 23.01 and then percent. Either or. So try the other ones.